Are your pumps running like new or silently draining your wallet? Many don't realize that pumps running without proper maintenance may consume up to 5 times more electricity to pump the same amount of water. One of our Bengaluru customers faced this issue until they switched to Waltr. With our 24/7 pump health monitoring, they discovered that one of their motors was not running at optimal capacity. Instead of running for 3 hours per day, it was running for more than 12 hours every day with the same amount of water. Upon investigation, they discovered a lot of mud and debris clogging the pump's intake, reducing the water flow, and making the pump run for longer hours. After fixing this, the pump's running time reduced from 12 hours to just 3 hours per day. As a result, their daily electricity expenses dropped by a massive 75%, resulting in savings worth more than 2 lakh rupees per year. Our wireless pump monitoring and automation product, Waltr C, seamlessly integrates into your existing pump system, ensuring a steady water supply by automatically turning the pump on and off based on real-time water levels in the tank. With a user-friendly Waltr app, you can easily adjust the automation settings, keep an eye on your pump's daily activity, access detailed logs, and track efficiency with easy-to-read graphs. Waltr C not only automates your pump, but also provides the visibility needed to ensure your water system operates at peak efficiency. Visit www.waltr.in to schedule your free site survey today.